Hi folks, good afternoon you all there. My name is Kedar and I am today here to present my web application, the SwarmSave. So before starting giving you the exact idea about the application, I just want you to listen for the minute that what the market is currently facing the challenges related to the home delivery, the real e-commerce system that is facing this issue. So see, first of all, let's look at the market situation in India right now. So e-commerce is the booming. Companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Blinkit, everyone is proposing the faster delivery in a 10 minutes, in a 10-minute delivery or in a same day delivery. But they all face one massive problem that we call it as last mile headache. No matter how fast is the warehouse, the final delivery depend upon the delivery boy on a bike or in a tempo. Let's take a scenario. If that particular delivery boy gets stuck in the traffic, he reaches the society. After clearing the traffic, he parks the vehicle, waits for the lift, deliver one packet, and come down. And this process is repeating since long days. You all have gone through this process. So where you order something, then some of the standard processes these e-commerce giants are following. It is I would say it is a one-to-one model where one driver, one packet, they deliver at a time. It's completely slow, and with the fuel pricing going on, it's becoming very expensive to them. So I thought we are means why we are depending upon such manual process, uh, why we are not using the 50 chips drones working together like a team. So that's the motive of the application. So where this SwarmSave comes into the picture. This is the software platform that act like a collective brain. Here you can see right now some of the drones are getting flied on the Mumbai metropolitan area. It allows one single driver to handle the 50 zones at 50 or more than 50 zones at a single time. So let me explain the business logic behind this application. So imagine a truck. Imagine the Flipkart has announced its big billion day sales, and similarly, Amazon announced its independent day sales. So it is loaded with the 100 parcel for just one big housing society. Now, let's consider the Amazon has published their sale, and in the Mumbai metropolitan area, they get some order with the 100 parcel. So in a current system, the driver will spend 4 to 5 hours delivering these packets. Means one by one. He comes to the one society. Simply in this region, he comes to the one society, pick up, see its address, deliver its product. It takes a lot of time to deliver such an item. But with the help of SwarmSave, we convert the trucks into the motherships. The truck parks in the middle of the colony. The driver doesn't run around. He stays in the trucks and open our app. And simply, what he will do, he will upload. He will upload all the list of 50 addresses with the help of longitude and latitude in our application. So this how we can configure this longitude and latitude in our application. I will show in the upcoming presentation. Then he calculate. Basically, our software instantly calculate the perfect route for the 50, for the respective delivery zones. And when he click on with the help of one button, the 50 zone will take the fly at a exact time, and we call it as a parallel delivery. But the while the truck driver is sitting in the truck, he may take the cup of tea. The drones are delivering to the 50 different balconies simultaneously. What takes a human just 4 hours. The swarm save the finishes within a 20 minutes. So you can see the time gap between the manual delivery and the automatic delivery with the help of our application. Now, there is one big point about this application. So once the delivery completes, the drones will automatically get to this their desired locations. Here, I will show you the what tech stack I have used here. I have used the .NET, the task parallel library, which allows the system to process the multiple streams simultaneously without slowing down. It's a robot enterprise grade, and for the front end, I have used the Angular. So the driver sees a simple map with all drones moving at real time. Also for this drone stimulation, so drone movement, I have used the real-time stimulator in my application. So I will give you the demo about our application so that you can get the clear understanding about what I was trying to say. So here you can see the entire map. Here, if I zoom out, you can see the complete map. So this is the UI of our application, where you can see on my left side, I have the fleet status, where the total number of drones which are get deployed, it will show. Right now, these 10 drones I have deployed, available are 10 drones only. Right now, no drone is deployed, and entirely 10 drones are available to use. No drone is offline. So it will show me the battery percentage of the drone as well. In a future, when we add the real drone here, so it will uh, basically figure out the battery percentage of that particular drone here. So you can see under, if I scroll down, you can see the delivery route. So I will show you how this delivery route will work. And if you can see the bot fleet here, we can configure our drones. So right now 10 drones are configured. Because of that 10, you can see if I want to add something, simply I will give the add the drone here. So for the mission 1, I am adding the drone 1. So this home latitude and home longitude, it will show me at what location the drone will get registered or drone will get deployed. So right now you can see these are the longitude and latitude by default. I have kept it here. So I will simply click on register unit. So one drone will get registered for me at the given longitude and latitude which we have configured. Now you can see the number got changed here from 10 to 11. Now I do have the 11 drones are in a working state. All are available for the fly. Okay, now the e-commerce giant gets some order for the order to the delivery, delivering some items. So those order will get in a Mumbai metropolitan area, and very means the huge number of orders are in this region, in a South Bombay region. I would say this is nothing but the South Bombay region. So in a South Bombay region, if the e-commerce giants are getting huge number of orders during their sales, so what they will do, they will simply select the zones for which the order is getting. To select the zones, they need they simply draw a polygon here by clicking on this button, draw polygon. They will simply select the region in which they are getting this order. In this South Bombay location, they are getting huge number of orders. So to deliver them, they will use our application. They will draw a polygon on this respective area and click on finish. Now here we need to give the meaningful name to this selected area. I would say South Mumbai delivery address. In the description, I will mention these are the orders in a South Mumbai location during our sale season. Now, I want to let's consider I will get huge number of orders. So simply I will select the 10 drones here to deliver those orders, out of which my 5 are prior orders. So just like the Amazon having the membership, so if we take the membership, they will get order in a quicker way, or in a very few days, less number of days they will consume to deliver our order. So in a similar fashion, this priority will work. So I will click on create manifest. So simply this will select, or this will draw 10 different zones for me where I have to deliver our order. So these are the 10 different zones, and you can see whichever the mission I have created to deliver order, this will get populated here. So once I click on the dispatch fit, from the nearest store, they will pick up their delivery and they will try to deliver their product in a given zone. So now let's consider the dispatch of the delivery has happened, and I simply click on the dispatch fleet. So once I click on the dispatch fleet, you can see the system will allocate drones to the respective zones. Now you can see these drones are moving to their respective zones to deliver their orders. So meantime, drones will get fly. I will show you the other features of our application, where you can see here one tab is there. This tab will show the meaning of respective statuses, where the green is nothing but the completed, this blue is in progress, similar for the drone as well. So you can see here for the different zones, the drones are getting deployed. Right now, the 10 sectors are there. So for the 10 sectors, the 10 zones are getting deployed. So they will scan, or they will try to deliver their orders. And you can see the percentage here we can show. This is changing. It's simply scanning or delivering the product. So you can see once the delivery is happened, so simply drone will move to their base location. Here you can see this drone has delivered their item successfully, and it is delivering to their base location. Similarly, other drones are trying to deliver the product. So let's wait for the complete delivery. You can see the status is changing. One drone is now the second drone is going back to their base location upon the completion of delivery. All the zones are covered here, you can see. And after completion, the system will show me one pop-up message that delivery for this particular mission, the delivery batch is getting complete, and the drones are ready to move to their base location. Okay. So this is about our application. I will simply click on the return to hub. Now coming to the finally, let's talk about the reliability. So here, basic advantage of this application that let me stop this. Let me stop this mission. So once the stop, the all 10 drones where which get deployed, they back to their base location, and now available count is 10. Now, the basic advantage of this application that business can't stop because of the drone breaks down. So simply it has the self-healing facility. Suppose the drone number 5 hits a tree or has a battery issue. In a normal system, that packet delivery would fail. But in our application, in a SwarmSave, the server knows immediately and it automatically reroute a nearby drone to cover the delivery or pick up the package, and the system will adjust itself, and the delivery will get successful within a respective time. So now what this application will exactly do, it will solving the biggest problem in Indian logistic, that we move from manual delivery to the automated parallel delivery. We reduce the time from hours to minutes, and we reduce the cost significantly because the electricity is cheaper than the petrol. So we have the tech stack ready, and we are ready to scale up for the logistic giant. Thank you very much. If you want to give some inputs on it, so please give your input. I will definitely try to improve in this application as per your input. Thank you. Thank you in advance. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, you all. And at the final, I would say, please provide your input on it. Thank you all.